Welcome back to another crypto video. What's good, ladies and gentlemen? Today I want to highlight to you a new infrastructure project that has not yet kicked off. It's only been launched on 2 exchanges so far, Huobi and one of the others which I cannot remember. And I think right now we're going to see some absolutely massive gains for this particular project. I'm not saying in the next 3 months, but I'm saying in the next year, 2 or 3 years even. We want to look at this project as if we were first entering Phantom, Avalanche, Solana, Ethereum back in its bare day when it was seriously undervalued, when it was not launched on all these exchanges, and when everyone knew about this particular project, when they knew about Phantom, when they knew about One, when they knew about Solana, all of these projects that literally did over 5,000%. I truly believe that this project Pokt can easily pull off 500 to, I don't want to be ridiculous, but I'm going to have to say 500 to 5,000%. I'm going to have to say it. And this is probably why. I mean, first of all, it's a Web3 infrastructure the right way. It's an infrastructure project. It's got a really nice low total supply, over 20 different networks as well. And it's partnering up with the right projects. Now here, I did a bit of research just on these infrastructure projects. For example, Phantom, the bear market price was $0.03. The bull market price is now $3.50. That's 120,000% APY right there. Avalanche, $369 to $148. Crazy, guys. Crazy. Solana, $1.80 to $250. That's 14,000%. One was like 0.046 to $0.38 in its all-time high, 8,500%, guys. Ethereum, $200 to $4,000, 2,000%. Cardano, 4 cents to $3, 7,000%. Can you see the pattern we've got here? Right now we have Pokt Network, which is yet to explode. It's yet to launch on these exchanges. It's yet to go mainstream. It's yet to become one that is, under high search volumes, big unique wallet holders. It's yet to become a project that is shared across by all the big YouTubers, all the news projects, all these things where this is where you don't want to hear the this sort of information. It's when some big YouTuber is talking about this project with a face like, or that's when you know you're too late. But you're listening to this right now on the 21st of February 2022, when the Pokt Network is still extremely young, when the market cap is still only 700 million. And we're even in a bear market right now when this is actually happening. So CoinStats, Pokt Network becomes primary infra provider to Fuse's DeFi blockchain. We can see Pokt Network, a Web3 RPC infrastructure middleware protocol, which provides abundant blockchain bandwidth from a globally distributed network of 30,000 plus full node applications in Web3 across 37 blockchains. So this includes Ethereum, Polygon, Solana, all those awesome infrastructure blockchains, etc. So this is it. So with this extension, Fuse is now routing 20% of all its RPC traffic through Pokt Network's unstoppable network of infrastructure. So it's like the tip of the spearhead for infrastructure on cryptocurrency. And we can see here, prepare to store Pokt. So before buying any Pokt, you should first ensure and know how to store it safely. So you can create yourself a Pokt wallet, nice and easy. Download the key file, just like so, which is like your seed phrase. And then this is your Pokt wallet right here. You'll have your unique address. You can stake your Pokt as well if you want to. So you're going to get some yield right there. And I will be doing another video on a crazy APY project that I just found as well recently. So it's quite easy to actually get Pokt. Like I say, it's only on 2 exchanges right now. But it looks really, really good. It can be staked and it just looks really good. Inflation and application burn. So we can see, to ensure the continued sustainability of Pokt, reasonable margins for service nodes, and to eliminate unnecessary overinflation of the Pokt DAO will activate the application burn rate at the maturity phase. Any Pokt minting is balanced out by application stake being burned at the same rate. So this looks like it's going to be an absolutely bombshell. I think it's going to go absolutely ballistic. And a friend did tell me about this one, and he is an Avalanche validator, and he is a massive believer of these infrastructure projects. And I also think the infrastructure is the strongest part of cryptocurrency, if you were to ask me. So, I mean, right now you're looking at a total supply of 774 million. That's very similar to Solana. That's very similar to Avalanche. They both have under 1 billion total supply, and we can see the market cap is only 727 million. It's a rank 114 project. This is where I think you can see that 1000%, which turns it to a 7 billion project. 2000% makes it a 14 billion project. And I think this will attract lots of long-term investors, lots of developers, lots of people, DeFi degens that are hunting that high yield and just, jumping in any project they can without doing their research. This can actually probably kick off humongously. We can see we're actually down. It's completely red. Everything is red right now, but we are in this bear market phase. And this correction has occurred over the last, since the 16th of February, really. So it's been daily red candles, it's been a bloodbath, and on the 25th of January is when this launched on the exchange. So it's actually consolidated really well, trading in this 142 to 117 range before it actually lost support because of what everything else in the market is doing. So I think it's completely irrelevant what the price is right now, because if we look in the long term, even if we were to pull up, the Fibonacci extension right here and look at future bull market targets, you've still got at the 4.2, $3, 16 right there. And if we were to just kind of draw a path of what could happen, maybe we're going to get a long sort of lull in 2022, very boring, but then, come later in the years, maybe we see something like this. If we go to the daily time frame, maybe we see something like this. I'm not saying it's going to happen this year. I think actually much more realistic for it to look something a bit like this, trade sideways, come down, correct, all this accumulation, if this is a long-term bear market, and then we get that massive accumulation and impulse for the next bull cycle in 2024, 2025. So we're looking at these projects now whilst we're in these bearish phases, because these are the ones that you can sleep on and hold for the years to come, that will return those 10,000, 5,000, 2,000% APY return for you. So it's very, very interesting to see these sort of projects. Look at the APY of every single infrastructure project that was launched. You can see all of them did over 1,000%. So why would Pokt not do the same? That's what I'm thinking. We can put a target at $15 safely. We could put a safe target at $5. We could put a safe target at $25. All of these numbers I believe will happen for this project. It's really, really good. Make sure you do your own research for this one. I just think it's absolutely incredible. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, smash that subscribe button. Just want to say massive thanks to the 5 patrons here as well. Really cool. Do make sure you hop in that Discord down below so you don't miss out on any juicy news, crypto trading alerts, etc. And yeah, hope to see you in the next video, guys. You can also become a patron, price for coffee, if you want to receive my ebook, get premium one-on-one messaging, and also receive premium Discord access. So I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. This is Pokt Network. Mark my words, in 2, 3, 4 years, this is going to be a 5,010% APY return. So it's most likely going to happen looking at historical data, looking at what happens with those infrastructure tokens in the past. See you soon, guys.